We've all been there, staring at a task, knowing exactly what we need to do, but an invisible wall stands in our way. Discipline feels like a battle of brute force against our own laziness. But what if it isn't about force? What if it's about strategy? Here are 3 techniques, not just for studying, but for mastering any skill that work with your brain's wiring, not against it. First, there's active recall. We think learning is about pouring information in. We reread, we highlight, we watch videos again. Active recall flips thought script. It's about pulling information out. You close the book, you turn off the video, and you force yourself to retrieve what you know. This struggle is critical. It strengthens the neural pathways in a region called the posterior parietal cortex, making memories more distinct and stable. It's mentally taxing and can even feel frustrating, but that strain is a sign that it's working. You are literally rewiring your brain for long-term retention. The downside? If you recall something incorrectly without checking, you can reinforce the wrong information. So always verify after you try to remember. So you're ready to do the hard work of active recall, but how do you sustain that effort without burning out? That's where the Pomodoro technique comes in. It's deceptively simple. You work with intense focus for a set interval, traditionally 25 minutes, and then take a short 5-minute break. This cycle breaks down overwhelming tasks into manageable chunks. It's not a rigid rule, but a framework. If you're a creative professional who needs long periods to get into a flow state, maybe a 50-minute interval works better. If you're doing something tedious, maybe 15 minutes is your sweet spot. The key is the rhythm of focused work and dedicated rest. It provides the structure that helps many people, especially those with conscientious personality traits, stay on track. But if you're more extroverted, the strictness might feel confining. Experiment. The goal is a sustainable pace. Finally, there's the Feynman technique, the ultimate test of true understanding. Richard Feynman, the physicist, believed that if you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it well enough. The technique is a 4-step process. 1. Choose a concept. 2. Try to teach it to someone who knows nothing about it, like a child. Use simple language, no jargon. 3. As you explain, you will inevitably hit a wall. You'll stumble, you'll get confused. These are the gaps in your knowledge. 4. Go back to the source material, fill those gaps, and then simplify your explanation again. Applying this to complex subjects is time-consuming, and in group settings, students can be reluctant to listen to a peer's explanation. But the real value is personal. It forces you to confront the illusion of knowledge. These 3 hacks build on each other. Active recall strengthens your memory, the Pomodoro technique manages your energy, and the Feynman technique ensures deep comprehension. Together, they create a system. Discipline stops being a fight against yourself and becomes a skill you can build, one focused session at a time.